Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today I'm on board a brand new Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. You'll see in the photos the boat has the navy blue hull sides, or as we refer to it, the Sea Ray blue. For power, we've set the boat up with the 300 horsepower Mercury V8. That's done in the optional white paint. Gray SeaDek matting across the swim platform and the walk-through. One of the other really great features about this boat is you have a nice big sun pad across the transom, but you pick up a ton of storage under here with this boat being an outboard. Great room for your beach chairs, gear bags, and then another nice feature is you have some behind the knee support when you prop that up. You do have another access on this side that stretches up the port side as well. Walking into the cockpit of the boat, stereo controls here at the transom, freshwater sprayer, ski tow bar on the backrest of this aft seat, as well as a tow point on top of your sports arch, which is done in the white powder coat. This boat has the stone interior, which is going to be the light gray with darker gray trim. You have two table mounts on board the boat, one here in the cockpit and one up in the bow. Boat does have an onboard battery charger. Really versatile seating, nice L-shaped lounger on the port side, opposing facing seating on the starboard side, and then adjustable backrest to give you either forward facing seating or an aft facing lounger. In front of the companion seat, you have your head compartment, good headroom in there, good shoulder room, outfitted with the vacuum flush head option, freshwater sink, and an opening window. At the helm, another adjustable backrest to give you a lounger there, flip up bolster for added height. The boat is equipped with digital throttle and shift. You have your active trim there. This boat has the 12-inch Simrad digital dash, so you have your GPS in there along with all of your engine functions, depth finder. Everything's built right into one screen, giving you a nice clean dash. The boat is outfitted with the Fusion stereo, which is Bluetooth. Nice wide pass-through up to the bow of the boat, and you do have a bow block-off door that you can close to keep that cool breeze from coming through the boat on those early morning, late evening runs. Two full-length loungers up in the bow of the boat with flip-down, flip-up armrests. This boat is outfitted with the windlass anchor option, and you have another freshwater sprayer up here at the bow of the boat. So that's a real quick look at our Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. If you'd like some more information, give us a call, 910-256-8100.